Hi, Miss Kelly's class. Hello, Miss Finney's class. It's Missy Mari. Remember I told you I'm going to school to become a teacher? Well, today I'm going to be teaching math so I can become a better teacher. Let's get started. Make sure you have all your materials, paper, pencil, and of course your wonderful brain. If you're not ready yet, make sure you press pause and collect all your materials and press play when you are ready. Awesome! Today we are going to solve word problems by taking them apart. Today we are going to use a number bond, a number sentence, a tape diagram, and make a statement. Alright, first graders, just like Miss Finney has been doing all week, I'm going to model one problem and then you're going to work on 3 on your own. Miss Swain was making a garden. She bought 20 plants to put in her garden. 12 of the plants were roses. The rest were sunflowers. How many sunflowers did she plant? We know Miss Swain was making a garden. She bought 20 plants for her garden. We know 12 of those plants were roses and the rest were sunflowers. We are trying to find out how many of Miss Swain's plants were sunflowers. Because we are taking these numbers apart, we know that our number is going to get smaller. Watch closely as I solve this tape diagram. We know Miss Swain has 20 plants altogether. Help me count. Now this tape diagram is going to go all the way up like this. And now I'm going to write 20 and label it P to represent plants, showing that there are 20 plants all together. Remember, Miss Swain had 20 plants and 12 of them were roses. Let's take this 20 apart. We have our 20 plants here. Let's count 12 of them to represent our roses. Now I'm going to write 12 and label it R to represent 12 roses. Let's remember what we are trying to find. We know Miss Swain has 20 plants, and 12 of those plants are roses, and the rest are sunflowers. Oh yeah, we are trying to find how many sunflowers. Help me count what's left after taking 12 apart from our 20. How many sunflowers did Miss Swain have? 8! Miss Swain had 8 sunflowers. Now I'm going to write 8 and label it S to represent 8 sunflowers. We found the answer. Now let's see how we can use a number bond, a number sentence, and a statement. Alright, first graders, I'm going to start with a number sentence. I know Miss Swain had 20 plants all together. I'm going to write 20 and label it P for plants. Remember, we are taking apart, so that means we are subtracting. All of those plants were roses. 20 minus 12 equals how many sunflowers? 20 minus 12 equals 8. So I'm going to write 8 and label it S to represent 8 sunflowers. Now let's work on this number bond. Missy Mari is adding labels. I know this is my whole, and these are my 2 parts. Our whole is 20. We took 12 apart from 20, making our other part 8 sunflowers. There's our number bond. Now we need to do our very last part, our statement. Remember, the statement answers the question. How many sunflowers did Miss Swain plant? She planted 8 sunflowers. All right, first graders, Missy Mari had a number bond with labels, a number sentence with labels, a tape diagram with labels, and a statement. Remember, we are taking our numbers apart, meaning we are subtracting. I think you all are ready to start on your own problems. Here's your first problem. Listen closely. Uriel is going to a dog park. He sees 17 puppies. 8 are brown puppies. The rest are black puppies. How many black puppies did he see? Make sure you have a number bond, a number sentence, a tape diagram, and a statement. Pause the video, solve the problem, and hit play when you are done. Here's your second problem. Sydney saw 15 bunnies in the park. 3 of the bunnies were adults. The rest were babies. How many baby bunnies did Sydney see? Pause the video and solve. Your last problem. When you are all done, remember to turn in all your hard work from today. Sophia had 19 cupcakes. 8 cupcakes had sprinkles, and the rest did not have sprinkles. How many cupcakes did not have sprinkles? Sure you have that number bond, a number sentence, a tape diagram, and of course your statement. Pause this video and solve this last problem.